Hey guys, okay, so today I am back with this lovely rainbow cut crease look. And yes, sweetie, we are going to give you a demonstration to show you how to break this down. Just the eyes though, not the face and the eyebrows. If you want to look at that, go check out my last videos because they got some great content in there for you guys and some good tips. So while you guys are watching, don't forget to make sure to like, subscribe, and comment on my video and share it for everyone you guys know so that you guys can give all these beautiful tips and things that I'm giving out to you guys. Thanks. Okay, so we're gonna go in with a gold color and just put that right under our eyebrow line. And you don't want this to be too bright. You just want it to be just a little extra to make your look pop. And we're gonna go in with my favorite brown. It's this light tan, and I use this brown, I feel like, for everything. It's such a perfect base. And just go ahead and cover your entire eye and get all the way down to your crease area. Okay, so for the hard part, let's go ahead and get to putting in that crease that we're gonna cut later. And we're gonna use the dark brown for this and just really go in there. And then you're gonna make sure you wanna blend that out. Get to blending, honey. You want to blend that eye. And I like to go in my crease and just really define that out with that dark brown again so that it really stands out and it gives my eye that 3D effect that I'm looking for. This is the part I feel like always looks so weird when you're starting to put that crease in, just because it looks like somebody, I feel like, hit you in the eye. Okay, so let's get our concealer and get ready to cut that eye. So go ahead and just put this in. And when you see when I'm doing it the first time, I'm having a hard time. Lord, I'm having a hard time. It was hard to keep my eye from blinking. I think it was the angle I was approaching it at. You know, I was told that I can't keep my eye closed because apparently I'm too nosy and I like to pay attention to everything. So you'll see I switch it up when I get to that second eye, and I'm just packing that concealer on so that it really can brighten the eye for when I go ahead and put that color in. So when I'm doing the second eye, I'm making sure to look down when I'm applying it, and this really helped me with not blinking so much and my eye fluttering and when I was laying that concealer in there. And then I just define it with the shape that I want it. To set my eye, I went ahead and just used a little bit of setting powder and just threw that on there. And then I retouched up my crease just so that I could really have that defined look. So now I'm just packing in a whole bunch of yellow, and that's the Smashbox palette. And then you really want to pack this in there good. And then I'm doing the same thing with the Sephora palette. I love this palette. I begged for this palette for Christmas, and I was so excited when I got it because the colors in it are bomb. So we're just gonna get that orange color and pack that on in there. And then I'm just blending that into the yellow a little bit so that it has an even flow. And then I go back in there and pack a little additional yellow in just so that I don't lose any of that color, because once you start to blending, you do really lose that initial color that you put down. So then we're gonna go in with this hot pink and do the same thing. Just pack it on in and blend it into that orange, and then retouch up that orange just to bring that back out. Then we're gonna do the same thing with this purple. Pack, 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 blend it into the next color, and then bring it all back out so that you don't lose your effect. Look at this rainbow cut crease, honey. Yes, it is forming. Hey. So I love a dramatic look. So of course I went in there and drew myself a wing, but you do not have to do this if you don't want to. But I will do another video on how I specifically draw my wings. I like to change it up, you know, depending on the look that I'm going for, but I really want this look to be very dramatic. We're gonna go ahead and do the same thing to our bottom lash line that we did to our top for the eyeshadow. Get the yellow, the orange, some pink, and then a little bit of purple, and just blend all that out. And then you want to clean up any excess color that you have. So I'm using concealer just because I really want to define my wing, and I really want it to be as like crispy as possible on the end. So I just went ahead and just touched it up with a little bit of concealer, a trick I learned from one of my favorite YouTubers. And I'm just going in there with the sponge, and I'm just blending that out into my skin. So I'm gonna go ahead and come back and then show you guys what we're working with. So I really want to show you guys this new highlighter I got from Lime Crime. I was super excited to pull it out and really give you guys a demo of what this looks like on some brown skin. So we're gonna use this baby pink color. It is so cute. I can't wait. Look at the pigment on that. And I really didn't go too crazy with it because I don't like to shine too much, but I love this highlighter. Okay, this blonde just gives me a whole new attitude. Like, yes. All right, guys, this is it. This is the final look. Oh yeah, okay, I'm feeling it. Definitely feeling it. So I'm gonna thank you guys so much for watching. I'm actually gonna show you guys a full outfit that you can wear with this if you want to shop at J'adore Boutique, which is my store.